So you're definitely focusing on the correct thing here. The y-intercept is this, p minus 3 comma c. What do you know about, like, what is a y-intercept?
It's like where the line meets at the y-axis.
Yeah, let me see. Let's just like throw a random line out there. Can you do like y equals 3x plus 2 or something? So where's our y-intercept?
It is at 0, 2.
Okay, 0, 2. Do another one, another random line, just in a different, yeah, so what's our y-intercept?
0, 9.
What does it have in common with the last y-intercept?
0.
0. So the y-intercept, the value of x is always 0, right?
Yep.
So what equals 0 from our little point they gave us?
The p minus 3 equals 0.
So then what does b equal?
3.
Yeah. So now you can literally just write p equals 3 and it'll fix the table for you. Boom. So now you see it's happy with you. And then do you remember how to actually get an equation from that table? All right. You're pretty much there. And then finally, what is c supposed to be here?
C is the y-intercept.
Yeah. And you could scroll up and find it. You could also just see like it's in y equals mx plus b. So this is our b. So it's got to be 45, right? Either way, it's going to take you like 1 second. Good job.